Good morning, family. We're doing again the lunch today. We're doing the lunch today. There is something I wanted to highlight on the hot and cold numbers that I would like everybody to notice. If we if we are going to look into 41, right? We will go into the previous results. Then we look into 41. How come 41 came to be hot? You will see that there is a number that we must look into and chase, right? I'm gonna come down here to check the numbers, right? What you start by doing is you select the numbers that you need, which is 41 and 45 and 22, right? So I press 45 and I press 41 and I press 22. Then it will tell me to check the numbers. Check, right? On top here to say dates from, I'm going to start from, let's say, the 18th, right? Set. Then I come to the 18th today, set. Then I say check numbers, right? There it is. You see? There it is. They are sitting like this. 41 has played as a number 11 times, have played at bonus twice, and 45 have played 12 times, 3 times as a bonus. 22 has played 10 times and 4 times in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days. So total is 14, 13, and 15, right? So that's something else that you can also use as well for you to get to see the numbers the way you want to analyze, right? So looking at 41, it has got a route that it used to come to this hot and colds. That's what we need to monitor. So let me see if we've got changes. The changes though that we have is the changes that we have is we had 39 last night, 39 sitting here 12 times. Here we had 45 sitting at 15 times, right? Then 41 dropped at T. 41 dropped and removed 39, right? And then 45 came inside. Now 45 is inside and 41 is now sitting this side. So let's keep monitoring after the results and we see what does it mean, this movement, and what is going to happen with 39. Since 39 they've taken it out, and it was taken out at T since it only played at lunch, but it played at lunch, then they put it on hot numbers, right? Meaning it was supposed to remain on hot numbers. But then when 41 dropped last night, it removed 39, and then we're now remaining with 41. Okay. So now we are here. I'm going to look at 41. There is 41, 41, 41. There is 41 again sitting there. There is sorry, there is another 41. Let me go back. Okay, there is another 41. Here I'm just comparing the last 10 draws. This is the last 10 draws that you can see what 41 has done, right? Okay, so today I'm going to give you the bonus and I will give you the new codes, right? The new codes that I have just found last night, and I think we should look into these numbers, right? And I will also give you numbers from one of our best predictors, right? So to begin with the bonus, I'll give you two bonuses now. Okay, I'll give you the other two. As we go on. Okay, so the code for today, it comes from the date. It comes from the date 18 multiplied by 94, right? 94 is coming from our 49, right? 94 is coming from our 49. That's where we getting the code, right? So 49 will give us 1692. Right, let me show you how you can break this code quickly. 1692, right? You start with 1 here, followed by the next number 16, 1 with the second number, that's 19, the first number with the last number, that's 1 2. That's the first line. The second line, it will be to take the numbers on top as singles, 2 6 9, right? Then the last one is to take this number at the back. It will be the front number, 2 9 2 6 and 2 1, right? This is a daily code. These are daily numbers for the day, right? These are daily numbers for the day, including these ones here. So meaning to say, I'm not specifying that it's lunch. I'm saying it's lunch and tea, because I'm using the date calculation. So we're calculating using the date, and this is what we're getting from these numbers. So if you've wrote down these numbers, let me show you what's happening today. Today, from the past 4 months I have checked, we're getting numbers like 12, 21, 42, 2 and 6, right? And 19, right? Those numbers are dropping mostly today, right? 42, 27 is a good pair for today. I've seen it on the past 3-4 months. These two numbers, they are dropping on that 18th, right? On the 18th. All right. So that's being said, I'm going to give you another one, which is 45 multiplied by 94. 45 multiplied by 94. 45 multiplied by 94 is giving us a code 4230, right? That code 4230, it's giving us 42, 43 and 40 first line, 23 and 20 and 30, right? Those are the numbers we are getting from this big code. And this big code, I am telling you that it will give you at least 2-3 numbers. I've seen it from the history when I was doing the same thing. The problem with codes is they bring a lot of numbers, meaning to say one would have to play Yankee all the time, right? Would have to play Yankee all the time, because from what I've seen from these two combined codes, you get at least 4-5 numbers, 4-5 numbers combined coming from the two codes. So if you are somebody who's using Hollywood and Betway, you can play Yankee and you maximize on your winning from there, right? Then the next one is, let me give you the last two bonuses that I have. I've got bonus 42 and bonus 38, right? And bonus 38. I did not do any sequence as of yesterday because I was focusing on these chords. So the chords, you really need to do Yankee for you to maximize on winning from there, right? You really need to use Yankee for you to maximize on that. Okay, then I've got the numbers that I will post for you on the community tab. Check the screenshot I'll send you on the community tab just now, so that you don't also lose on the numbers that we are having from one of our best predictors. They just send on email, because we're having a problem whereby messages are disappearing from our comments, right? They are disappearing from our comments. So this is what I have for you today, guys. It's not much, but let's just look deep into these two chords and see if we can maximize from that. I've got there was a comment yesterday. I forgot who commented. There is a strategy I gave you on the 20th of July, right? On my birthday. Please look into that strategy. What it does is you add these three numbers, divide by 3, you add these ones, and then divide by 3, right? Total you get here, total 1, total 2, this is total 2, total 1, eh? This total, you must subtract it with total 2, you get a banker 1. Then division 1, division 2, plus or minus, you get banker 2. The number you are going to get from the division, it's your banker 3. The number you are going to get from your division 1, it's banker 4, right? So when you divide here, when you divide by 3 here, you get two numbers or one number. You divide total 2, you get two numbers. So check the video that I posted on the 20th of July and see how you can win, because somebody got 5 numbers from that strategy yesterday. And check on the comments. Also on the comments, check, we have got good predictors that we have that are posting numbers. Do not miss the comment section. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.